Catch the ball. Throw it here.
Watch this. The elephant can fly so high.
My teddy flies like a bird in the sky.
Whoa! There is a car on the floor.
Daddy, your coffee is all over the floor.
Look at this big mess we have here today. We have so many toys that we never play with anymore. Today, we will fill this donation box together with toys.
What is a donation box, Mom?
It is a box to share toys with children who need them. Look at this blue sign. It means we keep the toy. Look at this red sign. It means we donate the toy. If we do not play with the toy, we can share it with others.
This is my old truck. It is broken and I cannot play with it. Goodbye, truck. I hope a new boy will play with you.
I got this doll on my 4th birthday. It is very special to me.
Do you play with this doll every day, Anna?
No, I play with my other toys now. I think a little girl will love this doll just like I did.
Here are more toys from the closet. You have so many to choose from.
This goes in, that stays here. This is easy.
I am being so fast. Look at all my donations.
We are working together as a team. This feels wonderful.
You kids are doing such a great job helping others.
Look how much we have donated today. Other children will be so happy.
Look, it is my favorite teddy bear, Mr. Fluffs. This is Mr. Fluffs. He is my very best friend in the whole world. This bear slept with me every night for 3 whole years. I cannot put Mr. Fluffs in the box. He belongs to me. But I love Mr. Fluffs so much, I cannot give him away.
I know you love Mr. Fluffs very much, but think of other children who need love too. Sharing your love with others is the most wonderful thing you can do.
Other children might not have any teddy bears to love at all. I will donate Mr. Fluffs. He can make another child very happy.
We need to take this box to the donation center today.
Careful. Put the box in the back seat gently, please.
We are going to give our toys to other children.
I am so excited to meet the children at the school.
We are sharing our toys. We are sharing our toys.
Other children will play. Other children will play. Look at the trees. The sun is so bright today.
I can see the school coming. We are almost there.
We are here. This is the donation center at the school.
The school looks so big and beautiful.
Walk carefully. The donation center is right inside this door.
I see the door. Let me ring the doorbell.
Hello, we have toys to donate for the children in your school.
Hello, welcome. What a wonderful surprise to see you today.
Thank you so much. The children in our school will absolutely love these toys. You are teaching your children about kindness and generosity. That is so beautiful.
Here is our donation box. We filled it with lots of toys to share.
What a generous gift. You must have worked very hard to gather these.
We hope these toys will bring happiness to many children.
I will make sure every child receives a toy. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
You are wonderful people. Thank you for sharing your toys with our community. The children will be so happy when they see these gifts tomorrow. We did such a wonderful thing today, family.
I feel so happy that other children will get our toys.
Our house looks so peaceful and nice from outside.
This is our home. It feels good to be back.
I opened the door. Now come inside and look at our clean room.
Wow, the room is so clean. There are no toys anywhere.
Look at this. The room is so clean and big now.
All our toys are gone. The room looks twice as big. The floor is so clean. I can see my reflection.
Now I have space to run and play games. We have so much space to play now. This is amazing.
Playing with fewer toys is actually really fun too.
I am so proud of you both for sharing your toys with others. You learned an important lesson about generosity and kindness today.
You are both such generous and kind children. I love you so much. Helping others is the best thing we can do in life.
Today, we learned that sharing with others makes everyone happy. When we give to others, we also feel good inside our hearts.
I want to donate more toys next time.
Me too. It feels really good to help other children.
I love you all so much. We are an amazing family.
Together, we made a difference in other people's lives today.
Remember, sharing with others brings happiness to everyone. Be generous and kind. The end. Thank you for watching our story about the donation box.